Got this all rebuilt just the last couple of weeks.
Wow.
After a big white oak tree came down and crushed the flume before. All right. I'll put a little bit of duff in here, so whatever we catch tonight will be comfortable. A few leaves, some sticks, a little bit of muddy stuff. Okay guys, so kind of just to show that in practice what it looks like to flip over. These rocks here are usually a good place to start if it's a little, you can feel it's a little muddier around here, a little lowland. So I always just kind of like to flip the rocks towards me and just take a look at what all is underneath. You'll find all sorts of interesting little critters, insects, and sometimes salamanders. And they're fast. Sometimes you have to be really fast to keep up with them, like this little guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's very small.
Sometimes they're teeny tiny, sometimes they're quite large.
There he is.
Come here, little guy.
He's very squirrely.
You are so fast. You okay? Ta-da. Ta-da. Gotcha.
All right.
All right, guys. So I have here and this is going to be strange sounding for its look. Nah, just kidding. I think we've got ourselves a 2-line salamander. Blue Ridge 2-line. Yeah, cool. Okay, make sure I'll leave that up, and then when I put them back, there's another little guy. What is that? Got something hanging out, but it's not a salamander. Oh no, it's just a stick. Just kidding. Yeah, that guy is a little centipede. We'll leave him be because they can bite. You don't want to get bit by a centipede. Yes,
I have before.
Not fun, is it? So this little guy, I'm going to kind of set up here on this, the rock where we originally found him. He actually was under this rock originally. And then that's in deep contrast with our beautiful 2-line here, still in the corner.
Should we tell him?
Did anybody get to see this guy up close?
Yeah.
I'll pass him around. It's pretty monster.
Yep, there's one right here.
Finding a whole bunch of the redbacks. This is great.
Kids or something. Okay.
Mossy log, you have a decaying tree, and usually they hold moisture like a sponge. And salamanders would love to get in those spongy, rotten logs. So sometimes, if you're really lucky, you can come in and roll these over a little bit, if they're not too heavy, that is, and kind of search underneath the logs a little bit. It's a little dry though. I'm not seeing a lot of mud. Even the moss is a little dry right now. But sometimes you can even just look on the moss itself and see salamanders crawling across it at night. Mind if I just get you for a second? Just for a moment. Just a moment. Oh, wow. So newts are funny. All newts are salamanders, but not all salamanders are newts.
Whoa, she turned me into a newt! A newt. Got better.